So, yesterday was my birthday, and my beautiful sister here decided to surprise me and treat me to a visit to a traditional Chinese medicine doctor to have dry cupping done for my very first time. If you're not familiar with this is when heat is applied to silicone jars to remove the oxygen from those jars. Those jars are then placed along your skin, typically in areas where you might be having some inflammation problems, for example. Your skin is then sucked into these jars. Now, you will find a lot of different benefits cited if you Google dry cupping therapy, but essentially what it does is that it helps increase the blood circulation in those specific areas. So here I am in the doctor's office, checking out all of the meridian posters throughout that shows throughout the body, and I had a great consultation with him. And then it was time to go into the actual room. There you can see the silicone jars. Now, I did not take the process out of respect for the tradition, but you can see me here getting ready. And I survived. It was actually really great. He was so kind, and I will definitely do it again.